Welcome back to the channel. If you take a look at the markets yesterday, which was Monday, February 3, 2025, the markets went down a lot. And what happened? Why was the market down? Everything is already recovering. XRP is up 20%. Solana is up. A lot of coins that were down yesterday are already bouncing up from that low that they were. So why did the markets go down yesterday? Let's go through this together. While US tariff wars are taking a toll on Bitcoin, other crypto, with a 25% tariff on Canada and Mexico and 10% on China effective from Tuesday, US President Donald Trump has kicked off his promise of protectionist trade policy, triggering a fresh trade war with America's top three trade partners that are also the largest contributors to its nearly $1 trillion trade deficit. Many cryptocurrencies saw a slide on Monday as a potential fallout of the fresh tariff announced by the United States on some of its allies, with investors fearing an impending escalation in global wars and looking to move out of risky assets. Bitcoin was at a 3-week low and Ether at its lowest since September. Since then, Canada has announced retaliatory tariff on the US, triggering concerns on a full-blown trade war. China has said it will file a lawsuit against the tariffs. Trump has also signaled that new tariff on the European Union will definitely happen. Meanwhile, the US has agreed to all tariffs against Mexico for a month, while the impact on cryptocurrencies. Trump's announcement on the tariffs came on a Saturday, which is a market holiday for most trading instruments except for cryptocurrencies, which can be traded throughout the year. The fall in the digital currencies signifies that an uncertain trade environment will dent the rising crypto story, which has so far been the case under Trump's presidency. Bitcoin fell to around $94,000 Monday morning, even touching a 3-week low of $91,000. This is a significant fall after the coin touched a record high of more than $107,000 on January 20. When Trump was sworn in as president, meme coins also bled profusely. One launched by Trump was down close to 12%, and the coin launched by his wife Melania was down more than 13% according to CoinMarketCap. Dogecoin was down more than 24% over yesterday. Meme coins are highly volatile cryptocurrency inspired by popular internet or cultural trends. They carry no intrinsic value but can soar or plummet in price. They are generally seen as indicators of retail investors' interest in cryptocurrency. It is usually a marker of investors' risk appetite at any given point in time. Surge under Trump. Investors had predicted that Bitcoin could hit that mark if Trump were to be elected, since his entire campaign featured pro-crypto messaging among other things. It was also anticipated that having Elon Musk, who has been a long-time advocate for cryptocurrency, as a key advisor could further bolster investors' belief in Bitcoin and other digital virtual assets, even if concerns around conflict of interest remain. Some of Trump's key picks for his administration, including Paul Atkins to lead the Securities and Exchange Commission, is widely considered a cryptocurrency advocate, also signaled a largely pro-crypto regulatory environment for the currency under the new administration. There is a kind of trade war going on right now, and cryptocurrency, being that currency that is traded throughout the year, might be affected from this trade war. So expect a lot of price volatility during this point in time. As soon as those coins saw a slide to the downside, many of them started rebounding, which is what happens after a huge dump in the market. So if you are in the market yesterday and you didn't panic sell, congratulations to you, because a lot of people will be panic selling their coin and they'll sell at a loss. Instead of panic selling, if you don't need the money at that point in time, you should leave it, and you know your coin will go back to its normal price. But so far so good. This crypto story for this year is already going fine with Trump administration. But look at this. Trump's announcement on the tariffs came on Saturday, which is a market holiday for most trading instruments except cryptocurrencies, which can be traded throughout the year. The fall in the digital currencies signified that an uncertain trade environment could dent the rising crypto story, which has so far been the case under Trump's presidency. The uncertain trade environment will make crypto experience a lot of price volatility because there will be uncertainty in the market based on this trade. But because a lot of people will be following this, they'll know about what's going on. This may not last long. If you are in it for the long term, this is just going to happen for some time, and maybe it will stop. If you're a long-term trader, I suggest you should keep on listening to the updates to know if when to trade or not. If you're a futures trader, you don't want to be over leveraged in this kind of environment, because if you are over leveraged, you might get liquidated. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, turn on the notification bell so that you will get future updates. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.